Make sure that you subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any updates from Alice in Wonderland. Hey everyone, it's me Alice Parks and today's video is on Valentine's Day ideas. So first I'll be making a Valentine's Day card and second a lovely breakfast. So let's get started. Things you need for making the card are a wrap paper, a golden paper and 4 hearts cut out of red velvet paper. Cut 2 rectangles from the wrap paper. One should be a little smaller than the other and stick the smaller one above the bigger rectangle. Now fold the sides as well. So your card is ready, let's decorate it. Cut 2 long strips of wrap paper and double it. Now you need to make the shape of a hollow rectangle like this. Stick these on the 2 sides of the card. Now take the velvet paper hearts and stick them together in a U shape and then stick it to the card. Now on the golden paper, write any message. You don't need to be perfect, just write it down, cut them out and stick them to the card. And your beautiful Valentine's Day card is ready. Now let's move on to making the breakfast. Take some bread slices and cut out heart pattern from it. Now in the hollow space, place some butter. Pour in an egg. Sprinkle some salt and pepper and then let it toast a little. Spread some jam over the cut out bread pieces. Here I am using mixed fruit jam which is red in color, just perfect for this occasion. And your breakfast is ready. I'm just gonna add some grapes and strawberries to just give it a beautiful look.